Hello everyone. So now we'll say about the pure capacitance. So last video we have seen the inductance. So in that in circuit they have used the inductance. So here we are dealing with the pure capacitance. So what they are using is capacitor in circuit. So the V is, that is supply voltage. So that input is given by V is equal to Vm sin omega t. So I is your current. So that's what we need to find now. Okay. So for the capacitance, the Q charges Q is equal to C into V. Okay. So V is nothing but Q is equal to C into V is nothing but Vm sin omega t. So we have one formula to find the current, like I is equal to dq divided by dt. Okay. So you substitute this Q value here in dq. So when you differentiate this with respect to dt, so you'll get I is equal to CVm omega cos omega t. Okay. So this cos omega t can be written as sine of omega t plus pi by 2. So the remaining terms are constant, so I'll take it separately. So just I need to write with respect to cos omega t, changes to sine of omega t plus pi by 2. So I is equal to Im sine omega t plus pi by 2. So where Im is nothing but constant omega c into Vm. So the plus pi by 2 indicates the current leads the voltage by the 90 degree. So remember, for the inductance, the current is going to lag behind the voltage by 90 degree. For the capacitance, the current leads the voltage by 90 degree. So you can observe in waveform also. So we are starting with the origin, but the current is leading voltage by 90 degree. So now we'll find with respect to the instantaneous power. So P is equal to V into I. So V we know that is Vm sin omega t. I is nothing but Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. So sine of omega t plus pi by 2 can be written as cos of omega t. Hence this sin omega t into cos omega t can be written as sine of 2 omega t. So that times your instantaneous power becomes P is equal to Vm Im divided by 2 into sine of 2 omega t. Okay. So this is all about the instantaneous power. It's a simple mathematics. Just you need to multiply V into I. This step is similar to the resistance as well as the inductance. Okay. So just you need to take care of what's the input of V and what's the input of I. So V remains constant, but you have to take care of I. Okay. So when you integrate with respect to the instantaneous power to find the average value, so we know P is equal to 0 to 2 pi, that is 1 cycle, into Vm Im divided by 2 into sine of 2 omega t d into omega t. So we have to integrate with respect to the 0 to 2 pi, okay, to find the average power. So once you integrate this, so when you apply limit 0 to 2 pi, so sine terms becomes 0. So average power is nothing but equal to 0. So hence if you observe the waveform here, so in that the voltage is constant, which starting from the origin, and the current is leads voltage by 90 degree, and the power is going to be positive as well as the negative. Okay.